see I'm stealing the rice, my nigga. Listen, I don't even know my one chair. Number one pause, you understand? I'm stealing the rice. The recipe of this sweet delicacy is made of fish, crayfish, and some other items that you don't know about. You know what I'm saying?
This dish was so delicious. Like when I say this thing sweet die. Like this thing is actually chat. But I don't forget the whole video due to because they all just sham that food. But you all stay tuned for my next video because I have a lot here. Love. Make sure you all like and subscribe, turn your notification on, and watch my videos. Exactly what I'm watching.